Hello Catechetics students. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial about how to use Handshake to apply for jobs. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Access FUS. And then once you're in here, you're going to click on Handshake. And once Handshake opens, you're going to click on Employers. Then you're going to type in the search bar Catechetics. And that's going to take you to the Office of Catechetics job board. If you'd like, you can click on the follow button, and each time we post a new job, you'll get an email notification. To see all the jobs that we have posted, you'll scroll down and click on See All. And then in the center here, you'll have all the information for the job, and then if you scroll on the left, you can click on different jobs and look at them. If you find a job that you'd like to apply for, what you want to do is you'll scroll all the way down to the bottom of the description and find where it says please send your resume and cover letter to blank. So each job has different requirements for the documents that they want. Some want references, some want a cover letter, some want a resume. So you'll want to make sure that you know exactly what that specific job is looking for so that you can send them the documents that they want. You can click on Apply up here if you'd like, and you can apply through Handshake and attach the documents that you want that they need, or you can apply directly from your email and send them an email, whatever it is that it is for that job. I recommend doing that rather than applying through Handshake, so that they get an email directly from you, so that they know who you are, and they don't see just an email from Handshake, because that might not they might go to spam, or they might not want to open that up. And then also, you can search in jobs for any other jobs that we don't post. So when people email us and are looking for Franciscan grads, we post their jobs on our job board. But there are also lots of jobs, as you can see, in different fields that other people post on Handshake that you can also apply for. So here are some youth ministry jobs just posted by different organizations and dioceses. And then you can also find different ones like for theology teachers, and see these are all posted not by us. So they aren't specifically explicitly looking for Franciscan grads, but you are also, of course, welcome to apply to those as well. And there are hundreds, if not thousands of them that you can apply for.